So this is analysis for 11th June. On the weekly, you can see that the previous week had a lot of bearish volume, which stopped at this level. Let's say this level has been reached, so there's a lot of buying pressure here. However, you can see the market. We can expect the market to pull back to this weekly supply and demand level, the 1760, before it goes lower to the 1680 level, because it was close below that weekly supply and demand level. On the daily, the previous 2 days were mostly indecision, so that there's not a lot of information you can get from there. On the 4-hour, the market formed a medium probability engulfing candlestick at this point. So my overall analysis, since the 4-hour levels of structure is still the same, before our previous low, now the 4-hour low. So still expect a retracement to this level, to this area, to this 1760 area before I decide to sell again. So that's the analysis on the overall time frame. Higher time frames, I'm waiting for a bearish trade. When we go to the lower time frames, we can see that there's a trend within a trend. Let's go to the lower now. You can say try to close below this low. However, it was unable. There's a lot of buying pressure. As you can see, a very large, strong engulfing candlestick with a lot of volume. Now, price, as you can see on the lower time frame, has been forming low lows. These are higher high, low, high. Here's where the structure changed, because this is a high, then this is a lower low, because it broke this level. Then this is a lower high, then this is a new lower low, which was broken at this point. So I expect the market to go higher, because now the change of direction. This is the previous low for the 15-minute time frame. Now this is a high in that time frame. However, if you can see beyond the story we are given, you can see that the market has been has formed a small consolidation at this point. Consolidation level. If you can check this areas, the previous high highs and high lows, market is consolidating in this area. So where I'd look to buy would be here. So this fib. However, I'm not supposed to use a fib on a consolidating market, but here it broke our structure, so it's gone from consolidating to what? From consolidating to a lower time frame trend. Now you can see here it came to the bottom of the consolidation. because it's a range, it's a gap touch, and then formed a medium probability bullish variation pattern here, showing that there's a probability of the market going up. Actually, even where we are now may seem like the second entry, because here the first one bounced, it went to the 61 level at the bottom of the consolidation, went above, came and retested the 50 level. Yeah, my overall bias is short. This is just a counter trend trade, a small counter trend trade, which I will wait until 9 a.m. until so the market can, so the session switch. That's a Tokyo Sydney cross. That's the time where I have the highest probability entry, but the setup is already there. Now on silver, go to the weekly. This level, this 20.5 level, has been clearly broken since two candlesticks have been able to close below it. However, we'll see a lot of rejection here at this 18.6 weekly supply and demand level. We can expect a pullback to the 20.5. Now, when I look at the daily, it has been consolidating for the past few days. This is the daily previous high and the previous low. It's been consolidating for a while. Not a lot there. Go to the 4-hour. Yeah, we can see it has formed a type of double bottom. Here, this 4-hour level, you can see. Yeah, this is a valid double bottom setup. There's a probability of the market rising up before it continues its descent, because it's taking a break. Yeah. Let me draw the supply and demand levels here. Okay, this is our curve, lower low. It's the previous lower low. And this is the current lower low. Okay. So let me do it properly. Now on the higher time frames, on the 4-hour time frame, I'm waiting for a retracement of this level. This is our entry zone right here. This one, and you can see the market has been consolidating, has been touching. This is the first touch, it's a deep touch, then it came back and touched, and then it's going down. However, I see it has been in this price range. There's a higher probability of it breaking up to the 50 level, going above this week's to ultimately go down, because what you can see here is a stop hunt around this area, the stop hunt. So the market it's a very big, may go above that price to form another setup. On the lower time frames, however, let's get this higher time frame stuff. On the lower time frame, you can see the market has been consolidating. Let's check this consolidation out. It has been trading in this price range. Yeah. Let's see the flow of this low high. This was the change of character of the market, and it went from being bullish to bearish. Is a down path here. Lower high, lower low, higher high, then a low, then a higher low. It became a higher low once this high was broken. Lower high, higher high, then it broke here. This became a lower low, lower high, lower low. Then it peaked here, and this became the higher high in the market, and the higher high here. Now I'm waiting for a 3-leg extension to this price just above here, so I can take all these orders. You can take out the buyers and sellers. Then now goes, has enough volume to break below this, so that it can have enough volume to break below this level in order to reach the 1680 price point. But let's delete this. These are the levels of structure. However, we can see it has been unable to break this consolidation area. At this is our 4-hour level, the white box. So it's been able to break below that level, and if you can see here, it has been forming higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Here, this high. So what I expect is a break of this top area and this previous day's high, so that you can collect orders and have enough volume to go to the weekly supply and demand, 1860 weekly supply and demand level. So I'm waiting for right now, currently on this time frame, I'm waiting for a bullish entry, because we can see the market already tested and formed another. Okay, this is a complex pullback. This isn't a change of structure until this is broken. So I'm waiting for a bullish signal to buy. This is a type B setup, so it's a low probability, but still that's what I see the market doing. So hopefully you can get in the pullback before the major extension to the 1860 level. This is a 3-bar reversal pattern. So I can take this setup. We'll take the first take profits, top of consolidation, or just this is the previous day's high, a few pips below, then the next one below the 27 level. Oh, I feel for my brother.